Now, February and March is the time of year when a lot of us are thinking about buying plants bare root. Right now, I'm mostly talking about fruit trees, berry bushes, nut trees, and that sort of thing. Now, if you've never purchased a plant bare root before, it's exactly what it sounds like. The roots are totally bare. There is no soil in it, which is really beneficial in some circumstances. This is really going to work the best for trees and bushes that are in their dormancy. So they're sleeping. A lot of times they're going to ship with 0 leaves on them because the energy is resting in the roots. So this is not as scary as what it sounds like. Now, I have put bare root plants directly in the ground before, and I've had a pretty good success rate, about 85 to 90% success rate. Now, if you want a really good success rate, I put them in pots first. Let them grow into their own for just even 2-3 weeks, just to let the roots kind of rest, reestablish. I use that time to add in a really light dosage of worm tea or probiotics, or sprinkle some mycorrhizal fungi on the top. And that's really going to give them their best chance of success. So don't be afraid this time of year to try the bare root. I just did some from the foodforestnursery.com, got 5 or 6 great trees, and I'm so excited to share more. Stay tuned to the next video for more on what to do with these trees when they arrive.